Hey guys, Shadow Master Wise here, and today we are trying to burn this putty with a sparkler, just like last night. A sparkler. Gonna be lit. Ow, crap. Okay, my cousin here is gonna be recording. Okay, let's see what happens, dude. Ready?
Kason,
Oh yeah, don't play with
burns,
matches. Don't play with matches.
Yeah, don't try this at home, please don't.
Oh shoot, I ain't even holding the sparkler. It's gonna suck. It's gonna burn my hand.
Please don't try this at home. Like, I'm begging you. They have walkie-talkies.
Begging.
Take off the lid.
No. Piece of crap.
Alright, hold on, y'all.
No, I'm good.
Take off the lid.
Yeah, oh yeah, you take off the lid.
Here, hold on. We'll sit y'all down real quick.
Yeah, it's gonna, 1 second.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, here it is. Here's the putty. You see it? Kason's in the way.
Broke the freaking match.
He broke the match. He gets mad. See? Here.
Yeah, I
You
have
see
a
the
spare there, so.
You see the putty? It's like boogers. Kids, do not try this at home, okay?
Yeah, because it's probably flammable.
This might take forever. Get a different one.
Oh my god. No, I'm just taking off the glove. That's the problem.
Alright, y'all. He's getting aggravating, so
That's more like it.
hope it works.
Yeah.
This is pretty old. There it goes. Burn the putty.
See what happens. I feel like the whole thing's just gonna like light on fire. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's turning black.
Yeah, and it's turning black.
Dude, it's hardening.
Dude, look. Kason, look.
That looks lit on the video.
Dude, you see this? That is awesome, y'all. Please do not try this at home. But hit that subscribe button. Give Kason about 10,000
I got a
likes.
magic trick for you. If you press the like button, it turns blue and gives me a like. And if press the notifications button and press that bell, you'll get every time I freaking.
Kason is going for 10,000 likes and 10,000 subscribers.
Yes, and I've hit 2 so far, so I'm good.
And there we go, y'all.
Let's see. Holy crap!
Shake
Look
it.
at the freaking side, Hunter. It's freaking white. Look at the side.
Ow, y'all, it is very hot.
Ow.
Look
It
at the
made
inside.
Look at it made dust.
It's white.
Dude, this is like a mini fire pit, dude. It made a freaking dust on the side.
You see that,
It's
y'all?
like ash.
Now it's all black. Let's get another one of those.
Okay. Oh, no. Oh, it melted the thing, too.
It melted the thing, y'all. That
Look at
is
that.
lit.
Look, it melted like the logo, dude.
Do that.
It's like, it's still rubberish.
Yeah.
Dude, now it's rubber. Down here, like, rock hard. Up here is just rubber.
Alright, y'all. We're probably going to make another video of this kind of stuff. But we need about like 8 subscribers. Okay?
Dude, that was weird.
Yeah.
Want to end it? Okay, go ahead. Bye! Goodbye!